Hello everyone, welcome back to ICT class. Today we are going to see more on logo. So the chapter that we are going to learn is logo. I hope you have learned about logo in your previous classes, right? Anyway, I will just revise you. So what is a logo? Logo is language of graphics oriented. So logo, it means logo is a programming language with which we use to draw, we can give text and we can print text and then we can do arithmetic operations. So these are the things you have studied in your earlier classes. Today we are going to learn some more concepts on logo. Okay. So what are the primitives that you have saw? So primitive is nothing but a command that we give in logo. Okay. FD means forward primitive. So which makes your turtle move forward. Okay. So in logo we have two windows. So the first one is graphic window and bottom to it is we have commander window, and this commander window have two boxes. So first one is recall list box and below to that we have input box. So with the help of input box only we used to give command to our commander window, and whatever we are giving command that will be displayed as a drawing in your graphics window. Okay. So this is how our logo window works. Okay. So we will see one by one now. So what are the primitives? Primitives is commands that is used to give you instruction in logo. Okay. So we will see one by one. So first primitive that we are going to see is forward primitive. So forward primitive is used to move your turtle to forward. Okay, that is FD. Okay, and if you are giving BK, that is backward primitive, which makes your turtle to move backward. So turtle is nothing but a triangular shaped thing that will be appearing on your graphic window. So if the turtle moves only, it will just create a drawing. Okay, so based on the instruction that we are providing in our input boxes, our turtle will move and it will create drawing. Okay, so these are the things that you have learned already. Okay, and the next primitive that we are going to see is hide turtle. So hide turtle is nothing but it is used to hide the turtle that is appearing on your window. Okay, and similarly show turtle is used to show the turtle that has hidden already. Okay, so you have hide the turtle, right? So that can be shown with help of show turtle. Okay, so after that we have left, right. Left turtle will use to move your turtle position towards left. Turtle will be facing towards left direction. Right means your turtle's position will be moved to, your turtle will turn to right direction. Okay. And then we have CS. CS is nothing but clear screen. If you want to clear the thing that you have done, so that can be done by CS. And clear text is used to clear the instructions, commands that you have typed in your recall list. So if you want to clear recall list, then we use CT. So if you want to clear screen, then you have to use CS. Okay. Next you have set. Set is nothing but it helps us to rotate your cursor, rotate your turtle from its original position. So it can be from 90 degree, 180 degree, 100 degree. So based on the degree that you are giving, it will make your turtle rotate. Okay. And the next that we have is a home. Home is nothing but it will move your turtle to your center of the screen. So for that we have home option. And after that we have print. So if you want to write something, if you want to display something, at the time you can use this print command. So other than that we have 5 arithmetic operations. So what are the 5 arithmetic operations? Sum, difference, product, quotient and remainder. So these are the 5 arithmetic operations that you have studied already. So sum is used for adding numbers, difference is used for subtracting numbers, and product is used for multiplying numbers. Okay. And quotient is used to print the quotient that you have divided, and it will just print the quotient, and remainder which is used to display the remainder after dividing two numbers. Okay. I hope till this it is clear. So these are the things that you have learned already. So today we are going to learn some more primitives other than this. Okay. So what are they? So the first primitive that we are going to learn is pen up and pen down. So pen up is nothing but if you want your turtle should not draw anything, at the time you can just make your pen up. It is similar to closing your cap. Okay. If you close your cap and if you are drawing something, will anything will be there? No. So the same case pen up is also work in that way. So when you do pen up, your turtle will not draw anything. Okay. And if you want to make your turtle to draw something, at the time you have to make your pen down. So for that you can use pen down primitive. That is either you can use pen down primitive or you can use PD. Similarly, you can use pen up primitive or you can use PU. So both the thing can be used. Okay, so these are the two primitives that we have saw, and then after that we have pen erase primitive. So pen erase primitive is nothing but if you want to erase the thing that you have drawn, so for that case you use pen erase primitive. So pen erase primitive to make the turtle work like an eraser. So your turtle will work like an eraser, so that whatever it has drawn it will just erase. Okay. So this is the use of pen erase primitive, and if you the other primitive that we have is pen paint primitive to restore the normal use of the turtle, that is after using your pen erase primitive your turtle will work like a eraser. Okay. So again to set back it to an original function, for that we use pen paint primitive. Okay. So it will again from eraser mode to again it will just move to drawing mode. Okay. So for that case we use pen paint primitive. Okay. I hope it is clear. After that we have set pen color primitive. So what is the use of set pen color? If you want your drawing to have some color, so if you want your line to be in colored way, so in that case you can use this set pen color primitive. Okay. So here we have, for using different colors we have different numbers, and by using that number you can make your line to be of that color. Okay. When I am showing you it will be more clear for you. Okay. So the next is a repeat primitive. So if you want to do some operation repeatedly, so in that case you need not write the same command again and it will be boring, right. So for that case we use repeat primitive. So this repeat primitive is mainly used for drawing polygons. Polygons means some closed figures. Okay. So some closed figures means like square, rectangle. So for drawing all these shapes we use this repeat primitive, so that it will be repeating and it will be drawing a polygons or a quadrilateral, so whatever it is. Okay. So with the same repeat we can draw circle, we can draw arc, we can draw semicircle. So all these things can be done with the help of repeat. Okay. And we can use nested repeat also, that is repeat within the repeat. Okay. So which helps us to draw some complicated polygon images. Okay. So when I show you, that also will be more clear for you.
How to open MSW logo? Click on the Start button. Click on All apps. Go to Microsoft Windows Logo. Again, select Microsoft Windows Logo in the submenu and click on that. The MSW logo screen will appear on the screen. Parts of logo screen. The logo screen has two main parts: graphic window, commander window. Graphic window. This is the main window where we draw the lines and shapes. There is a small triangle called turtle in the center of the graphic window. This position is called the home position of the turtle. Just imagine that the turtle is holding a pen. When it moves, it drags the pen with it. This leaves a mark on the screen, so we can draw by making the turtle move around. Commander window. This is the place where you give commands to the turtle and execute them. This window has two sections: the command input box, the command recall list box. The command input box. This is the white space where we type commands that order the turtle to move. At the end of a command, we must press the enter key or click on the execute button for the turtle to follow the command. The command recall list box. It is the grey section of the screen where all the commands are listed which you typed in the input box. There is a scroll bar that can be used to see the part of the list that is not visible. You can double-click any command in the list box to copy it into input box and execute it. Control buttons. There are some control buttons on the right of the commander window. These are used to perform different tasks. Execute button. To run or execute a command, click on execute button or press enter key. Status button. It displays the status of the current settings in logo. Halt button. To stop running any logo program, click on the halt button. Trace button. This button is used to trace and remove errors from our program. Pause button. It pauses or stops the execution temporarily so that you can make corrections in your program. Step button. Clicking on this button allows our program to be executed step by step. Reset button. It resets the logo output screen.
So here I am giving FT60 and after that I can just print execute. So by clicking it, so can able to see a line is drawn. So that is my turtle moves forward. So for this case we use FD60. Okay, so after this I can just reset it. So when I click reset, all my drawings will go off. Okay, BK, that is if you want to move my turtle towards back, at the time I can type BK and then I am pressing execute. So can you able to see my turtle has moved backward. Next I am typing RT. So after that I am giving the degree. So if I execute it, can you able to see my turtle has rotated towards right 45 degree. Okay, so for this I am giving RT 45. Okay, so if I want to move my turtle towards left 45 degree, at the time I can give left 45 execute. So if I give that, my turtle move to left 45 degree. So if I want to again move my turtle towards left 45 degree, at the time again I can give left LT 45. So if I give that, my turtle again will move to LT 45 degree. Next we are going to see set. So set, that is SETH. So set is used to move your turtle in clockwise direction. That is based on your degree you are giving from original position, it will be moved to 50 degree. Okay, so when I execute it, so my cursor will be moving to 50 degree. So can you able to see my turtle has moved to 50 degree. Okay, move to 50 degree. Okay, so again I am giving set 100. If I give 100, it will be moved to 100 degree. Okay, so the difference between LT and RT and set is that set it will move from original position, and whereas LT and RT it will move from current position. So home is used to move your turtle back to your center of the screen. Okay, so wherever your turtle may be, it will move to center of the screen. The next one is CS is used to clear the screen. Next one is CT. CT is used to clear text. So whatever text that is there in recall list will be cleared by giving CT. Okay. Next one is, so that is HT. HT is used to hide the turtle. So if I want to hide my turtle, if I give HT, it will be hidden. So if I want to show my turtle again, if I give ST, it will be shown again. Okay. So and after this, if I want to clean the screen, so at the time I can use clean, CLEAN. So if I use this clean, so it will clean whatever there in this graphic window. Okay. So after this we are going to see about print primitive. So print primitive, for printing something on the recall list, we can use this print primitive. So I am typing print. If I give some number, it will be printed there. For words, we need to give it within quotation. So that is a quotation followed by the word. You need to give. You need not close it. Make sure you are giving space between print and the word. Okay. Just execute it. So can you able to see the hello is printed here. So similarly, if I want to give some group of word, at the time I can use square bracket. So within square bracket I need to give the group of word which needs to be printed. Okay. So I can use PR also for printing the same word. Okay. So both the thing behaves similarly. You can use either PR or print. So if I want to print group of word, I can give it within square bracket. So I'm just giving it as I love India. So when I give enter, so can able to see I love India is printed in my record list. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. So this is the use of print function. Add two numbers. Okay, so if you want to add two numbers, then you need to use sum operation. Okay, and if I want to find the difference between two numbers, then I need to use difference operation. Okay, and also if you want to find the product between two numbers, then I can use product operation. That is print product. I need to give two numbers for which the product needs to be found. Okay, and after that if I want to find the quotient of two numbers, then at the time I can give print quotient. I need to give the two numbers so that the quotient will be printed. So similarly, if we want to give remainder of two number, at the time I need to give print remainder. I need to give two numbers so that my remainder will get printed. Okay. So if first we are going to see about pen up. So pen up tool, if I do so, it won't draw any line. So first I will show you with pen down so that it will be more clear. So pen down I did. So if I give forward, so can able to see the line is drawn. So again if I type pen up at the time, PU pen up. So again if I type FD40, so my turtle will move but it won't draw any line. Okay, so this is a difference between pen up and pen down. Okay, I hope this is clear. So if I again do pen up and 40, so again my turtle will draw line. Okay, so can able to see again my turtle is drawing line. So if I give pen erase, it will erase the thing that is there. So whatever work my turtle will act as the eraser. Okay. So if I want to restore my turtle function again, then I need to give pen paint. So if I give pen paint, then my turtle function is restored again. So after that, if I can give set color. So set PC is used to set the color. So if I give set PC and if I give the color whichever I want, it will be used to draw the color. So here I am giving red. So I am giving it as 4. So which means red color. So if I move my cursor, if I move my turtle, it will be having red color. So can you able to see a red color line appearing there. Okay. So that is use of red color set PC. And if I want to repeat some sequence of operation again and again, at the time I can use this repeat operation, repeat primitive. Okay. So can you able to see if I want to draw something, if I writing it again and again, so it is really very difficult, right? So for that case we use this repeat option. So here can you able to see, so many things are getting repeated again and again. So for that case I can use this repeat option. So repeat option, if I want to draw square, I need to give 4 here, repeat 4, FD60, RT90. If I want to draw square, I need to give 4 here. So if I want to draw pentagon, that is 5 sides, then I need to give 5 there. Okay. So similarly, based on the shape that you are going to draw, so that input will differ. Okay, that is your command will differ. So if I want to draw a circle, at the time I need to give 360 degree, because complete full circle means I need to give 360 degree. Okay. If I want to draw a semicircle means that is half a circle, right? So I need to give 180. Okay, so 360 divided by 2, you need to give 180 so that half a circle will be drawn. Okay. So if I want to draw an arc, at the time I can use 90 degree. Okay. So this is an arc. Can you able to see this? So I can use 90 degree. So next, if I want to draw triangle, at the time I can use repeat 3FD 50 RT 30 360 by 3. So by doing it, so I can draw triangle. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all. So this is nested repeat. So if I want to give something repeat inside that, I want to repeat some more thing, means at the time I can use this nested repeat. So if I do so, can you able to see a polygon, that is a star is drawn here. Okay. Similarly, you can create your own complicated shapes by using this nested repeat. Okay, I'll summarize everything. So what we saw today, we saw about logo. So what is logo? Logo is language of graphics oriented. Okay, so it is a language which helps us to draw, which helps us to display text, and which helps us to do arithmetic operation. Okay, and we saw some primitives like pen up, pen down, pen erase, pen paint, set pen color. So all these things that we saw today. And other than that, we saw about repeat. So if you want to repeat some instruction repeatedly, so at that time you can use this repeat primitive. And we saw nested repeat primitive also. I hope this is clear to you all, and we'll move on to the book back exercise that we have. So please take page number 97. Fill in the blanks. The full form of logo is language of graphics oriented. The dash primitive makes a turtle move without drawing. So which primitive makes a turtle move without drawing? That is pen up. The dash primitive lets us draw using different colors. So set pen color is used to lets us draw with different color. So you need to write set PC. The dash primitive is used to instruct the computer to do a certain task repeatedly. So if you want to repeat some task, which primitive we use? We use repeat. The set pen color is used to dash, color and draw. So with the help of set pen color, we can give color. Okay. So you need to write color and draw. Okay. And the B exercise is homework for you. What are the uses of following primitives? Pen up, pen down, pen erase, pen paint, set pen color. So all these primitives functions are given in your book. You have to note it here. Okay. You have to write it here. So this is a homework for you guys. Okay. And we have a fun time activity also at page number 98. Write logo commands to draw the following. So here they have given different shapes and you have to write the logo command for drawing those shapes. Okay. So this is a homework for you guys. Okay. You need to do this at home. I hope this logo chapter is clear to you all. Kindly go through your text, try to download this logo software so that you will be having a more idea when you are working on it. Okay. So have a nice day children. Thank you.